Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to find clipboard on the Android phone. So guys, sometimes we copy any text and then we copy to another text and then we don't know where these texts are present. I will show you how you can easily find clipboard. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So after that you will see text options, just click on it, and here you will see cross options, so just click on it, and you will see clipboard options, so just click on it. So guys, here you can find any text which you have copied. So guys, in this way you can find clipboard in your mobile phone. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.